मैं बाजार हूं। मेरा जन्म सृष्टि के निर्माण के साथ हुआ था और जैसे जैसे समय आगे बढ़ता गया मैं भी कई रूप धारण करता गया। आज मैं स्टॉक मार्केट हूं। मुझसे जीतने के लिए कई महारथियों ने अपनी जान लगा दी, मगर मुझसे कोई जीत नहीं सका। RSI, स्टोकेस्टिक, MACD, सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस, ये सब उन प्रयासों के नतीजे हैं। मगर जैसे ही इन सब का यूज कॉमन हुआ, मैंने अपना रुख बदल दिया। जिस किसी ने इन सब के ट्रेडिशनल घिसे पिटे तरीकों का इस्तेमाल करके मुझसे पार पाने की कोशिश करी, उन्हें मुंह की खानी पड़ी। मैं समय समय पर सबको बराबर का मौका प्रदान करता हूं और जिसने समय अनुसार मेरा रुख भांप कर सही दिशा में ट्रेड लिया, मैंने उसका साथ अवश्य दिया। न जाने कितनी ही एडवाइजरीज ने मुझे बिना स्टडी किए मुझे हल्के में लिया और झूठी अफवाहें जैसे कि 90% की एक्यूरेसी के झूठे दावे किए और अनगिनत ट्रेडर्स को अपने झांसे में फंसाया। खासकर उन ट्रेडर्स को तो मैंने बिल्कुल भी नहीं बख्शा जिन्होंने बिना ज्ञान प्राप्त करे एडवाइजरीज के भरोसे मुझसे उलझने का विफल प्रयत्न किया और उनका अकाउंट सबसे पहले साफ किया। मेरे ज्ञान की कोई सीमा नहीं है, मगर जिस किसी ने मेरे ज्ञान के सागर में उतरने का प्रयास किया और पूरे डिसिप्लिन से उसे फॉलो किया, मैंने उसका जीवन संवार दिया। ज्ञान से मेरा तात्पर्य यह किसी एक विशेष स्ट्रैटेजी को सीखने का कदापि नहीं है, बल्कि मुझसे उत्पन्न हुई अनेकों स्टडीज को समझकर मेरे रुख के साथ अप्लाई करने का है। कोई एक स्ट्रैटेजी मुझे बाधित नहीं कर सकती। जब तक कोई मेरी गहराइयों को समझने का प्रयास नहीं करता, तब तक आप मेरे साथ चलने के काबिल अनेकों स्टडीज को समझकर मेरे रुख के साथ अप्लाई।
Hi friends, are you able to hear me? Okay, so I think you guys are able to hear me, right? So can we just kickstart with the session? Okay, great. So no audio issues, right? As such. Yeah, I do understand. Even I lately realized that there is a cricket match at 7 o'clock. Sorry for that. I realized it at almost like 5 o'clock, or else I would have rescheduled this, but not an issue. So you can just switch on your TV. Okay, we can have side by side. We can have a session, and also you can enjoy your cricket match. That's what I'm doing. TV is on, okay, without volume, and my focus is on today's session. Sorry for that, but any days like we will be having too many cricket matches, but this session is going to be like very interesting. So as I said, so today we are going to simulate for the 29th September expiry. Okay, so we are going to simulate 3 to 4 strategies. All right, so this will be a very good exercise. Okay, so we are going to do the directional, and also we are going to do the non-directional. So you know, right, whenever we are doing it live today. Even when I'm doing live, so I might be doing some mistakes, so just excuse me in case if I'm doing some mistake, because it is very tough for me to do the live back testing or the simulation, because we are doing it for debit spread, we are doing it for ratio spread, we are doing it for butterfly and non-directional ironfly. I thought of adding the calendar also here, but you know, right, the video will become lengthy. But let's start with the signature strategy first. Okay, I would want you so I would like you to show you like 2 to 3 different variation of the signature strategy. Okay, let me quickly look at the comments. So friends, do not ask me any question, because see, I'm not going to focus on the Q&A, because we are going to discuss about the simulation. So no questions, please stay focused. Okay, I'll open up the questions at the end of the day. So please right retain you from asking any of the questions. So can everyone say yes? If definitely, I'll open the Q&A session, but try to focus on the content. So no questions, because I'm not going to look at the Q&A session. I'm just going to do the simulations. Okay. So first, let's start with the signature strategy. So meanwhile, can you guys please say yes for no questions? I'll not focus on any of the questions. Okay, let's focus on only on the this thing. Okay, so before that, see, what I wanted you to show you is, okay, I'll first show you the market view for 29th. How was the market view? This is very important. All right, so this is very important. Let me take you to 15 minutes. Otherwise, all the other folks will complain saying that this guy already knows the market. I mean, the market went down, the market went up. I know there will be like few trollers, right? I mean, I do not care for them, but I know the market view. Even you know the market view. Okay, so if I'm just taking the example of 29th September, we all know, right? We are going to take the example of 29th September, and 22nd is the start date. If you look at the start date 22nd, so this is where we are going to deploy our trade, somewhere 22nd, maybe somewhere here, friends. Okay, 22nd, and you know, market has fallen down. Okay, market has fallen down. So now, first I'll cover the my signature strategy. I'll try to cover 2 to 3 different variations. Okay, we all know market has given a down momentum, and for example purpose, I'll take the weird cases, like I know market is falling down, but I'll take an example of by deploying a what call credit spread here, call ratio spread. Intentionally, I'll take the wrong example so that I can show you how to mitigate the loss. All right, so let me take you to simulation. So we are at the simulation for 19th, not 19th, yeah, 20, where is September, yeah, we will start on 22nd September. End days is 29th and end date is 29th. Let me take one more duplicate window. Okay, I'll go to bank nifty. So no questions, friends, please just focus. We can always have question and answers, because I'm there for you guys. I'm not running away. Okay, we can always have the question and answer, right? So now what I'll do, I'll go to 3 p.m. Okay, so now I'll try to show you different variations. I know there is a cricket match, but sorry for that. Okay, let me go to 3 p.m. You'll get to know why. Okay, I'm just trying to show you my signature strategy. Okay, so now this is bank nifty, and let me take this as nifty. Okay, this is what my signature strategy. So now what I'll do, I'm trying to, okay, let me go to nifty. I'll show you two way. Okay, so nifty, I'm just showing you, I'll be deploying a call debit spread, because that is my contra trade, right? Okay, I'll show you. Okay, I'll go to, this is my nifty. Do not get confused. So see, we have some issues at this 3 p.m. So I'm going to 3:05 p.m. So I'm going to deploy a call debit spread. Okay, I know market was coming down, but still I'm deploying a call debit spread. So market stands at 17,650. Let me go to 17,650. I'm deploying a call debit spread. So what I'll do, I'll go 300 strike, maybe somewhere 1750 is the market standing. So I'll go to maybe this one, right? 1, 2, 3. I'll go to 17,800. Right? I'll buy this. I'm just deploying a call debit spread, and then half of the premium I'll sell. So what is half, like 50, maybe 52, I'll go for 52 sell. That's it, right? This is my call debit spread in nifty. And as a contra, what I'll do, I'll deploy a put debit spread in bank nifty. Okay, so I'm at 3 p.m. Market stands at 40,785. So let's say 40,800. I'll go to 40,800, and I'll try to deploy a put debit spread. 40,800, right? So this is where the market stands. I'll go for, right? Usually I go for 230, 240, but just because the VIX is high, so you are getting. So I'll go for 253. I'll buy this, and half of 253 would be how much? I'll go for 500 strikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So maybe I'll sell this. That's it. Okay, so we have basically, in nifty you have the call debit spread, in bank nifty you have the put debit spread. That's it. So now I'll go to next day, right? 3:15. I'm going to next day in nifty. See, just to differentiate, right? Just keep monitoring on this strike rate. The left hand window is Nifty and the right hand side window is the Bank Nifty. I'm just going to next day. Okay, so we are at a loss of 2017 in Nifty. So let me see what my Bank Nifty has to give me, right? I'm just going to next day. So we are straight away at a profit of 4,708. So we all know basically the single lot debit spread will take 25,000, right? We all know budget is 25,000. The next day, check the beauty. The next day, this has given me a loss of 2,000, the Nifty, and this has given me a profit of almost like 5,000. So what is, so I got it right. So net, see, this is 2,000 and let's say this is 4,500. So I got profit of 2,500 with the overnight trade. That's it. 2,500 divided by my overall capital would be like 25,000, right, into 100. Okay, so I already got 10%. So if you want to consider 40,000 as maybe 50,000 as a capital, so even I'm okay for the 2,500, right, divided by 50,000 is your capital, okay, into 100. So this is almost like you got 5% profit the next day with the overnight. Okay, so now I'll just leave it to you to do the calculation. I'll take you to the next day. I'm on the Bank Nifty. I'm taking you to the next day. So you got a profit of almost 8,473. I'll just keep on checking the Q&A just in case if there is some audio issues, you can just run. And I'll go to Nifty. I'm just going to next day. So my Nifty is giving me a loss of 3,000. So 3,000 minus 8,500, that is almost like 5,500. So you do the calculation now, right? 5,000 last 5,500 divided by, let's say, 50,000. I'm taking the entire capital into 100. Okay, so you got almost 11% within 2 days. Okay, so I mean, will you be waiting for the next? See, your maximum profit is 9,530 in your Bank Nifty. You already got 8,473. So tell me one thing, will you be waiting for any adjustments? No, right? I'll exit this trade. I'll exit my Bank Nifty with 8,000. So if you want to see the individual, right, even let me show you. I'll exit my Bank Nifty. This is my profit divided by 25,000 is my capital into 100. So I almost got, right, 33% in 2 days. Okay, now so I'll exit my trade with 33%. Keep a note of this. Okay, so because I almost got 80%, 90% of my maximum profit, so there is no I mean, I should not be doing any adjustments because we are a smart trader. But do you think I'll be leaving this trade? Nifty is giving me 3,022 loss, friends. Nifty is giving me 3,022 loss. So 26 is the what? The date where we are standing, and 29th is my expiry date. So I'll not leave this Nifty. I'll not leave this. So this I have captured 33%. I'll close this trade basically. I'll close this trade, and now I'll come to Nifty. So my maximum loss is 3,140. Almost I got my maximum loss. Okay, I'll try to just go divide 3,140 divided by 50 is my Bank Nifty lot. So I have to cover 62 points. In case if I'm able to cover 62 points, I'll be able to make my loss 0 in Nifty. That's it. I'll be able to make my loss 0 in Nifty. But we never know whether market can take a U-turn. See, market has given a downside moment, but who knows, market can give a right upside moment also. So what I'll do, I'll just try to cover only 50%. I'll say divided by 2. I'll not go for 62%. I pretty well know that market is going down. That's the reason I've shown you this this window. Okay, but what I'll do, I'll not cover entire 62, but rather what I'll do, I'll just try to cover 31 points. Okay, what I'll do, I'll sell a call worth of 31 rupees, maybe 30 or 31, right? The maximum loss is 3,140. Okay, I'll go for 31 rupees premium. This is the way you have to do, friends. See, exactly, we have 31. Let me sell this. You all know I'm just trying to convert my call debit spread to a sort of ratio spread. But the reason why you are saying this weird payoff graph is already you got your maximum loss was 3,400. Okay, let me delete this. Right, you should be aware of this. See, your maximum loss is 3,140. So you almost got with your maximum loss of 100%. So do you think still the payoff graph will show you some profit? No, right? You will get across with this payoff graph, friends, believe me. So that's what I'm taking this example. So now what I'll do, again, I'll go to my option chain. I'll try to sell 31 rupees. Okay, I'll try to sell 31 rupees just to cover half of the loss. Okay, the moment I sell this, you all know my maximum loss will be now. See, my maximum loss will be now only 1570 from 3200. We all know. You still have a safety of almost 2.29%. Okay, if you want, you can do this adjustment. This is not a mandatory, but I'll do this adjustment because I have another, say, almost end of the day. So 27th, 28th and 29th, I have 3 more days. I'm not trying to cover. So even if I want, rather than going for 31 rupees, I would go for 20 rupees. And then on 27th, I'll try to cover 20 more rupees. And on 28th, I'll try to cover 20 more points just in case if the market keeps going down. But I'm just showing you, right? I'll not go for 30 rupees. I'll just definitely go for 20 rupees. Okay. So now let me take you to the next day. What will happen? Okay, so my loss is 3022. See, if I start showing you all the permutations combination, this video will take 3 hours. Okay, so but at least I'll show you, right? From 3000 it came to 2257 on 27. Still we have a 2.5% safety on the upper side, even if the market keeps going. Now what I'll do, today is 27th, so tomorrow is 20th, right? At least I'll try to sell one more 31 rupees, because if you look at this one, right, this is already giving you a profit 842. Either I'll exit this 17,400 and then see, or else I can do one thing. See, video will become lengthy if I start telling you, right? I'll exit this. Okay, now again I'll go back to my payoff. My loss has reduced from 3000 to 2297. I'll go again to calculator. 2300 divided by 50 is my Nifty bank loan. So I have to cover 46. So I'll not cover 46. I'll just divide it by 2. I'll try to cover only 23 points. Now I'll go to option chain. I'll try to sell at 23 rupees points. Maybe 24. I'll go for 24. I'll sell this. All right. 1 second, friend. 1 second. Yeah, okay. So now again I am on 27th, right? So let me take you to the next day. So my profit has almost reduced from 3200 to now 1065. Let me take you to the next day, right? See, next day my loss is only 1205. So you know this is 29th, and next day if you are willing, see, your safety is 2.5%. again, market is down. If you want, you can exit this, or else you can sell one more 20 rupees, so then your loss will become 0. But I'll not do that, because if I show you everything fancy, you guys will think this guy knows the view of the market, so that's what he was able to do the market. So I'll not sell the another 20 rupees. Let me take you to the next day. That's it. So your loss is only 1065. I could have made this loss 0, friends, honestly, because the previous day at 320. See, I'll do one thing, right? I'll show you. Other way I'll show you. Okay, what I'll do, I'll go to profit and loss. See, only 3 rupees is pending, right? Do I need to hold this? I'll go here. I'll exit this 3 rupees. Now my loss will be how much? My loss is almost like 1230. Again, I'll go here. So this is what I do, friends. 1230 divided by 50. So end of the day I have to cover only 24 rupees. Okay, so I'm at 3 o'clock on 28th, one day for expiry. I'll go here. Okay, and then I'll go for this 21. Let's say 21. Okay, I'll not make it full 0. I'll buy this. Okay, so now my loss has almost reduced to how much? 142 rupees from 3020. I'll go to next day. Okay, I'm at a loss of only 145. So net I got 33% with my signature strategy. Point number 1. This is not the only adjustments. Now people will say that this guy has done a smart move, right? Now I'll change the entire move, friend. I'll just change the entire move. Now in Nifty, I'll go for, see, this year we went for PE, right? I'll go for CE now, right? Just to make you all believe, like, either way it will work. I'll go to the day 1. Okay. We are on, when are we? We are on 3 p.m. All right, I'll go to Nifty. We are on, let me take you to 22nd. Yeah, 22nd, we are at 3 p.m. So now what I'll try to do, here we went for put debit spread, right? So now I'll go for call debit spread here. So 40,800 is where the market is standing. All right, 40,800. So now I'll go for the call debit spread here, right? What I'll do, I'll look out for 230, 269. So let me go for 269, because we have the huge VIX. 269 is buy, and then I'll go for 5 lots, 5 splits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll sell this. Okay, this is my call debit spread now in Bank Nifty. I know Bank Nifty was falling. This will give me huge loss. In Nifty, I'll go to option chain. Market is standing at 17,650. I'll go for put debit spread. 17, what is that? 17,650. Okay, I'll go for put debit spread. Why the premiums are showing low? Okay, let me are we on 22nd September? Okay, let me go back here and again let me come back to option simulator. I'll go for Nifty. 29th is the 22nd is the start date. I'll come to 353.5. Okay, 17,650 is my 17,650. Okay, so I'll go for 300 points. 1 2 3. So let me buy this. I'm going to deploy a put debit split. Okay, 5 maybe half of this thing would be 50, right? So maybe I'll try to go 50 points. That's it. Now things will be very quick, friends. Okay, so now I've just taken the other way. Okay, this is my Nifty. Okay, so I'll take you to the next day, right? I'm just trying to simulate 22nd. I'm just going to take you to the next day. So next day Nifty is giving me a profit of 2,985, and let me see what Bank Nifty has to give me, right? This is giving me a loss of 2,593. Okay, net we are balanced, right? 295, 2,095 and 2,005. Only we are at a profit of 300. Let me take you to the next day, right? I'm at a profit of 6,012 in Nifty, and this will give me a loss, right? Because Bank Nifty was falling down, right? This is giving me a loss of 3,348. But still, see, 6,000 and 3,500. Still, you are at a profit of 2,500, friends. Still, you are at a profit of 2,500, right? Now, you should not hold the trade. You have to do the adjustments, because out of 7,500, you got almost 6,000. You should not hold this trade. Exit this trade, friends. Exit the Nifty, and then you have to manage your Bank Nifty now, because you are on the same 26. The kind of adjustments what we have done in what is that we have done in the Nifty, so now we have to do the same adjustments in Bank Nifty. So what is your overall loss? Your overall loss is 3,440. So I'll not do the adjustments, I'll just leave it to you, so do not ask me to do, right? Divided by 25 is the lot. So now you have to cover 137 points. That's it. Divided by 3, you have to slowly capture 45, 45, 45. That's it. Either you will make your Bank Nifty 0, or else you will come up with minor loss. But here you have captured, see, let me show you what is 6,000 on a capital of 25,000, right? Divided by 25,000 in your bank, in your Nifty, right? Into 100. Here you have captured almost 24%. There you captured 33. Even here you have captured 24. Now it's up to you how you have to mitigate this. Either you convert this to ratio spread, you convert this to strangle. You remember all my debit spread, what do we say, the adjustments. This is what I want you to be like, familiar with all the adjustments. You have to, you can convert it to ratio spread, you can convert, see, exit this buy position, you have to exit this buy position. Whatever sold positions you have, you can convert it to strangle. It's up to you. See, I'll not say, I'll not stop you from doing all the adjustments, right? I've shown you my signature strategy works. I've shown you two way, right? By deploying a put debit spread in Nifty, and then by deploying a call debit spread in Nifty. Same way with Bank Nifty. All right. So any questions on my signature strategy? Are you clear? I'm just watching the Q&A session, right? Yeah, I know you guys will be coming up with all weird questions, right? Simple things. I've told you only 30 to 40%. Watch my signature strategy 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. You'll get to know. Only plain, without doing any adjustments also, it has given you profit. The only thing is like you have to be like very much what do we say, comfortable with your debit spread and ratio spread adjustments. If you are good at ratio spread and debit spread, no one can stop you from getting the money. Right now, I want you to do the other example. Let me take you to the chart, right? Before you guys tell any, right? See, I'll take you to this 15 minutes, right? Your debit, see, the signature strategy will work in this moment. The signature strategy will work in this moment. Okay, maybe that will be a tough time for you to do the signature strategy in the sideways, but I'm comfortable, because what do I say? Whenever I deploy a signature strategy in the sideways market, I always have a contra trade. So what is the best contra trade for sideways market? I'll deploy a put debit split in Nifty, I'll deploy a call debit split in Bank Nifty. If the Bank Nifty is standing at the static position, my contra trade would be a Ironfly. Simple, friends. My contra trade would be an Ironfly. Okay, so your my signature strategy will work miraculously. I mean, it will work like magic in this trend. What I need is like, that's what this will work in this trend. This will work in this trend. So what I need is just the trend. I need either upside move or downside move because I'm deploying a contra trade. That's my signature strategy. Okay, can we convert to can we convert to butterfly? Can we put DS on both sides? Yeah, see, there are like a lot of this thing. What to do in range bond? Yeah, I've answered your question, Nagendra. In the range bond, you have to deploy a contra trade, you have to deploy a Ironfly. See, this all comes when you're exploring the market. If you're coming to market just with an intention of getting money, you will not sustain. That's what you have to do, more of experimental trades. Unless and until you do experimental trades, you'll be not able to understand. Unless and until you burn your hands, right, you have real hands-on experience, you'll not get to know. Asking is very easy, right? That's what the thought process should come in your mind. In the sideways market, if I'm deploying the contract, my signature strategy, okay, I'll show you one magical strategy what I follow. You like, give me 5 minutes, okay? See, even this will work like magic, friend. I'll tell you, right? This I've deployed two contra trades, right? Two debits trade, right? Who is stopping you to deploy? I'll show you one more magic thing, okay? I'll delete this, I'll reset, I'll go back to uh, day one, okay? I'll reset. Okay, now what I'm trying to do is, friend, what I'm trying to do is, I'll try to go for a ratio split in Bank Nifty, in Nifty. Right, stay with me. Hold your questions. Why can't we just stick to one instrument only? Why both? See, that's what, right? See, Pankaj, I mean, that's a valid question. See, I'm just giving you multiple options. Now you have to come up with your own system. That's what I've built the system. There is no restriction at all. You do it with one instrument, you do it with two instrument. I mean, you combine it all, because I'm just showing you different what do we say, templates. So please, friends, stop asking your question. I'm going to show you one of the very good signature strategy which works like magic. Believe me, which works like magic. Okay, so hold on all your questions, please. Okay, so now what I'm trying to do is, like, in Nifty, I will be deploying a ratio split, the call ratio split. So market stands at 17,650. All right, 17,650 is here. I'm trying to deploy what, a ratio split, call ratio split. You'll get to know why I'm doing this, right? I'll buy this. 1 second, I'll buy this. Okay, what did I buy? 115. And then what is half of this premium? 50, and I would say, let's say, go for 50. I'll sell this. Okay, and then what is the half of the premium? So see, this is my debit split, right? So I have the loss of 3,140. So to make my loss zero, on the downside, what I'll do, I have to cover this points. Okay, divided by 50. Okay, I have to sell one more 62 points to make my loss zero, or else I have to sell 30 points to quantity. So let me go to option chain. I'll look out for 30 points wherever I have a 30 points. So what I'll try to do, I'll try to sell this too. So basically this is my 1:1:1. But to make this zero, what I've made is, like, I went for 1:1:2. Now again, people will say, you already know the view of the market, so that's the reason you're putting you're making the loss. Okay, let me go. I'll just get 32 rupees, that's it. Okay, I wanted to have a loss, basically 62, right? I'll go here. Okay, I'll go here. I'll not buy this thing. Let's say, what did I buy? Actually, what did I sold? I sold 18,000. Okay, 18,000 I've sold this one. All right, so now what I'll do, I'll just go for maybe 32 rupees. That's it. I'll sell only one. Okay, I think you guys will come in with all weird questions, right? This is my ratio split. So my maximum loss is 1,500. Okay, even this is too good strategy. I have a safety of almost, see, my blue line is safe till almost like 1.3%. For it can sustain the gap of 1.3%. As and when we keep going close to expiry, this blue line will become steep upwards. Okay, this is my what is this? This is my Nifty. Okay, now I'll go to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, same thing. I'll deploy a put debit split. I'll not go for 1:1:1 ratio split on my put side. My put side will be always debit split, that is put debit split. Let me take you, where is the market? It's the same thing, 40,800, right? I'll deploy a put debit split. This is also one of the strategy you can follow. Okay, I'll go for like same thing, like 253 I'll buy. Okay, and then 500 spread 1 2 3 4 5 I'll sell. Check the magic now. Okay, so you maybe smart trader might have got right. So now I'll go to our next day. Right, my profit is 4,708 in debit spread in bank debit in sorry bank nifty. I'll go to next day in my nifty. Okay, my loss is just 930 because I've done a very smart move. This is my hero or zero strategy. I know people might be questioning me saying that you already know the view of the market, but this is what I do, friend. This is what I do, right? Now, next day, I'll go to next day. My profit is 8,477. I got my 33 percentage. Exit this trade. And how difficult is it for you to just get a loss of 1,510 to convert it to zero? Right, go back to my ratio spread series. You all know we are on 23rd now, right? Just to make this loss even, I would say I'll come up with profit here also, meaning see I'll let you know, right? The market went up, so I have the safety of, see if you look at my ratio spread see my maximum, my unlimited loss will start only from 7.36% from 7.36%. Hope you're able to get this right. So if I want to get into unlimited lots, market has to make a 7.33%. So now don't you think I'll be like selling huge calls here? I'll sell 2 lots, 3 lots, 4 lots, but if I moment I sell call lots, and people will say that we'll not get the premium. Boss, we are on 26 September, we are not on the close to expiry. 26 September, we have 28th and 27th, 29th and 30. We are on Tuesday. If someone has the question of, I know people will ask, will not get the premium here, right? We are not close to expiry. Expiry is on 29th. So still you will get good premiums on the call side. So who is stopping you to sell 1 lot, 2 lot, 3 lots, even go for 10 lots if you have the capital? That's what I keep telling. Option selling is all about capital. If someone wants to reduce the margin, go and watch my reduced margin, right? Go for 10 lots to mitigate, to reduce your margin. You have to take 10 lots of buy. You have to just go for edge. So that will reduce your margin by 50%. Right, so I'll not do all the simulations. I've shown you 3 variations, friends. I've shown you 3 variations. Someone asked me, why don't we go for the same this thing, right? So let me tell you even that example also. Again, I'll go back. I'll go to my bank nifty. I'll take you. This is my, see, I think rather I'll spend today for entire thing for my bank, my signature strategy. Okay, I'll delete this. Okay, so someone said, why can't we do the same bank nifty? Okay, let's say I'll delete this. Okay, I'll take you to 3 p.m. Let's try to do the same signature strategy in bank nifty. Okay, so what if I deploy, see again this okay, let me look at the Q&A sessions first. I've not even looked any specific Q&A session when nifty rise. Okay, 1 second. The Pankaj question was last. When nifty falling, bank nifty also falling, right? Yes, obviously 90% of the time both are correlated. So guys, I mean, I'll just open like 2 minutes for the Q&A question. So are you clear with whatever I've told you pertaining to the signature strategy? I've shown you 3 different variations. If you want, I can show you one more variation also by taking only bank nifty, or not even take the nifty. If you want me to show that variation in bank nifty, right, please type S. Only for bank nifty. Stop your questions. I'll open all the questions at the end of the session. If you want me to do that my signature strategy only in bank nifty, I'll not even take the nifty. If you guys are okay, if you say okay, so then I'll make this one more week. It will take not more than 5 minutes. That's it, 3 to 4 minutes. At least you'll get a sort of what do we say, clarity. Yes, Naren says yes, only for bank nifty adjustment. I need more S. At least if I get 10 S, I'll show that adjustments. It will take only 5 minutes. This is, I mean, you will not find this kind of strategy anywhere, friends. See, this is not a strategy. Honestly, I'm telling, this is not at all a strategy. This is just a thought process. See, sorry to say, this is just a thought process. And now people will say, you are doing it. See, that's what, right? I'm just doing it on the expiry and the recent expiry. I'll show you all the examples of the debit spread also. I'll show you example of Ironfly. Tell me one YouTuber who does, right, all the directional and non-directional on the same expiry, right? How difficult will it be, right? I'm doing it live. This is not a recorded session. Great. Okay. So now I think it will be a difficult task for me too. Okay, let me see. Even I've not done this trend. Okay, Lord, what I'll try to do. So I have like two windows here, right? Two windows on the bank nifty. Okay. What I'll do, I'll deploy a call ratio. How should I do that? That's the biggest question, right? Okay, let me do one thing. I'll deploy the same thing, right? 40,800. I'll deploy a put debit spread here. Okay, 40,800. I'll go for buy. I'll buy this. I'm going for put debit spread, and 1, 2, 3, 4. What's 1 second? This I've taken it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my put debit spread. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll go to my this thing. What do we say? Bank Nifty, the second one. I'll try to deploy a call ratio spread. Simple. 40,800 is where the market stands. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll go for like 200. So this premium I'll go for it. I'll buy this. I'm deploying a call ratio spread as a contra. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll go for 500 points. Sell. And then this was my sole position. So let me go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Right. So this will give me a loss on the put side because we have not tried to cover the entire. So now this is my what is a call ratio spread in Bank Nifty. All right. So I have a loss of almost 2,226. Still I have the potential of 10,000 profit in case if the Bank Nifty I'm able to trap the Bank Nifty in the green area, and this is my debit spread, put debit spread. We have seen this example. Let me take you to the next day. We all know next day we got a profit of 4,000. What happens here? Let me go to the next day. We have a profit of only 1,800. So almost we are at a profit of 3,000 the next day overnight. So 3,000 is a huge profit, friends. Forget about, see, we target only for 1%, but I'm showing you here how to get 10%, 15%, 20%, 30%. We have seen 33%. See, I'm showing you live example, right? 8,000 is almost 33% on the capital of 25,000, right? You got 8,000 in your put debit split, and now I'll take you to this thing, right? You got, right, 2,415 profit. Net you got almost like 6,200 profit. Now, is it a difficult task for you to mitigate this loss of how much? 2,267? Right? If you are my follower, if you are my viewer, if you have followed my ratio spread, this is damn easy for you to make this zero. If required, you can convert this to what? Profit also if you have some additional capital left with you. Because market, check the market, 10.72% is your unlimited. This is where your unlimited loss will start. Your break even is 6.9%. Do you think market can give a U-turn by 10%? No, right? You can sell 10 to 20 lots also. What is, see, if I'll show you one small example, right? So let me try to sell, right? 42,400 is my sole position, right? Let me try to show you 42,400. Okay, so we don't even have this 42,400 because we don't even have this. So let me sell. Okay, let me try to sell this one. Let me see how it reacts. So we don't have that option chain, or do I need to click somewhere on show all here? Let me, do we have that show all somewhere here? Okay, so what is this one? 42,400. We don't even have 46. Okay, where is the market standing, by the way? Market is standing at 38,700. Okay, so 38,700 is where your market standing. So let me go for this one, 40,800. I'll go for 5 lots of sell, right? People who have issues, concerns about the capital margin, right? I mean, you can just stay. See, that's it. I was able to make my loss zero. So I have a safety of almost 5.93%, 6%. If you have still concern about Bank Nifty making a movement of 6%, right, within a day or two, don't go for this thing. If someone wants to get with profit, who is stopping you to go for 10 lots here? Right? This is what people will do. Even I do that. If you want to reduce the I don't know how much of capital, because Option doesn't show the capital. That's it. Even if you go for the next day, see, that's it. You will come with zero loss. I'm just going to next day. So end of the day, you came up with 600 profit. So you got your brokerage charges already. You captured 33% from here, and then your another trade you have made zero. If you have good amount of capital, you can just convert. See, because I've not done the aggressive adjustments, that's the reason I'm coming up with 600 rupees. If I've done some aggressive adjustments, I've not even shown you any adjustments. And believe me, I do the adjustments. I know I'll be able to increase this profit. I know I'll be able to increase this profit to 12,000 also, but I've not shown you. I've not shown you because if I start showing you, this will take 5 hours. Right? I'm just giving you a very high level, right? So again, see, I've shown you 4 different variations. Right? Any questions? So or else we'll just jump on to the non-directional simulation. What about deploying call and put debit credit? See, I mean, see, Gursiman, right? I mean, see, I cannot show you everything, right? You have to put your thought process. So, any questions on the signature strategy? It works. It works. If it is a sideways market, so then you have to be like very good at doing the adjustments. Number one, sideways market. So don't go every time with, see, who is asking you to go with put debit spread. See, my it all depends on your market condition, right? What do I say? Don't deploy, right, one put debit spread and one call debit spread. Who is asking you to go for these two combinations every time? It all depends on the market view. So rather what I would say, go for put debit spread and go for 1:1:1 ratio spread. That's it. So this way, even if the market keeps going down, your loss is zero in your ratio spread. If the market keeps going down, you'll capture huge profit. Worst to worst case, if the market goes and traps into your green zone, right, you have like good profit here, and then you, if the market keeps going up, you can convert this loss to minimal, make it zero, minimal, or also you can come out with profit. So why are you always thinking to go with two debit spread? You have to go for one debit spread, put debit spread, one ratio spread. And how about going for call ratio spread in both the strategies? Call ratio spread and put ratio spread. That's it. Now you give it a thought, right? You give it a thought. This is your, even if if this is this is a perfect trade for sideways market. This is a if the market is sideways, you will have zero loss in this trade. The market is sideways, you'll have zero loss. And then as a thing, you can play a contra trade of deploying a Ironfly here. That's it. You'll get zero loss. Your Ironfly will give you 10 to 15%. Hope you are getting my point. Yes, telling is easy, but I do that because I have been doing that since from last 6 months. I'm not focusing on my profit. I'm focusing my exploring the market. I've given you 5 to 6 variations of my signature strategy. Tell me one YouTuber would discuss about this signature strategies in this way, and I'm telling you only 40%. Remaining 60% is there in my playlist. That's what people doesn't take my video seriously because it's free of cost. The moment I add free, right, people will not take it seriously. Just imagine tomorrow if I've just removed all the videos, and then you people will regret that. So today I've shown you 5 variations, right? Who is stopping you to go for ratio spread, right? One put ratio spread and one call ratio spread. What do I say? It's up to you. Put ratio spread, you have to select the strikes in such a way that you should have a good safety on the downside, because market can make a downside moment quickly, but upside moment it requires huge money for the FIS. So whenever you are going for the ratio spread on the put side, ensure that you have some safety of another 1%, 2%. Even this is one of the beautiful strategy. That's what you have to keep enhancing your what do we say, thought process, right? Now this I've given you a solution for sideways market. Deploy a Ironfly, deploy a butterfly in the sideways. That's it. If it is sideways, your market will end even at the cone, or it will end here, or it will end here. It will give you some or the other profit. End of the day, your capital will be saved. Your capital is not going to draw down. That's what my trades are. Okay, let me quickly look at the Q&A session. Okay, Venkat said yes. If Nifty, Bank Nifty, we have right. Unique trader says, can you show a contra trade in sideways? See, that's what. See, this is what I want to see. Unique trader, give it a try. Please give it a try. I've made 7 to 8 hours of videos for you guys. See, I can make it. See, I can right away make it, but unless you guys are giving it right, if I'm showing you all the trades, right, you'll watch it like a movie, but you'll never have hands-on experience. I've told you, right, deploy per that particular week. See, go to this week. Who is stopping you, friends? Okay, let me show you. Right, go to Nifty, pick up one week which is sideways, right? See the momentum. This will give you profit. This will give you profit. Yeah, maybe this week you can try. Even this has a good momentum. See, bigger momentums, right? Pick up a sideways, maybe this sideways market. Pick up a sideways, try to deploy whatever variations I've told you, try to do the adjustments. Still, if you're not able to get it, then you can ask me. See, blindly, if you're asking me to do that because I'm not a full-time trader, right? You do it if you're not able to get, and then tell me I've tried this thing. So then I'll get to know, okay, he's putting some effort. Blindly, if you're asking me to put that 100% effort, that is not going to help you. Definitely, that is going to help me, right? Give me one simulation. I'm okay to do 100 simulation, 200 simulation, because end of the day I'm conducting this session for myself. Honestly, I'm telling, I'm conducting this session for myself. There is a saying, right? If you share your knowledge will become very strong. That's what I've been like very biased. Yes, I'm helping majority of the other retailers, but I'm doing this only for myself. Sorry for being biased, okay? Because if I say that, you guys will realize, just because I'm sharing all the videos for free, you're not watching my video series. I've told you five different variations for sideways, for quick momentum, right? I need the momentum. That's it. My signature strategy demands momentum, either downside or upside. For the sideways also, I've shown you. Again, I'm just repeating. For the sideways market, again, I'm repeating. This is the last time, friends, right? That's it. You go for call ratio spread, sorry, put ratio spread. This is how your trade should look like. Market stands here, you have to select your premium such a way that this area is 0, and then you deploy one more call ratio spread. Select the premiums in such a way that this should be 0. That's it. If the market stays here only, right, it goes 0.5%, it comes 0.5% point, and then you have to be like smart enough to go ahead and deploy a Ironfly or a butterfly. That's it, right? Either you'll be able to capture the market in middle, you'll get full profit, or else here, or else here. If the market goes here, so then ideally your market will stand here. So all the loss will be mitigated with your huge profit from your debit split. If the market suddenly comes here in your Ironfly, obviously the market will be here in your green zone. So this is the way I select the strikes. It's very easy for me to say, but the strike selection, the premium selection, I do in such a way that if my Ironfly is giving me a loss, let's say my Ironfly market has given me like 3% gap up, right? What is my Ironfly loss? My Ironfly loss will be like, maybe let's say 3,000, 4,000. But what is the profit of my, see, if the market has given a 3% move, so ideally my this ratio spread will give you profit. Even this has a good profit. So this is the way I manage my trades, contra trades. I don't want to give zero money. I don't want to give a single money to market. I'm okay. Honestly, I'm telling, I'm okay to have my capital intact with zero profit for next 3 months. Zero profit for next 3 months. I keep on telling this. Gamblers will not like this. For 3 months, I don't mind my capital being intact with zero profit, because the kind of experience I'll be getting with market, that is immense, and that's what you see in me. If you trust, if you have confidence in me saying that, I mean, 98% of the folks say that I'm able to manage a 1 CR account, right? That's what I bought. 3 lakhs capital, and slowly I've pulled 2 lakhs. So my 5 lakhs capital is intact from last 7 months. I don't even know what profit I've made with my 5 lakhs. Honestly, I don't even track my profit, because I bought 5 lakhs capital. That's it. I bought 5 lakhs, and my 5 lakhs capital is always there in front of my eyes on my angel account. Unless and until this 5 lakhs become 4 lakhs, then I'll recollect. I'll go back. I'll see what mistakes I'm doing. Unless and until this stays 5 lakhs, I don't even care looking at the profit. Sorry guys. I mean, when I talk, I cannot hold my this thing. So now I'll just let me look at the question. Someone is asking USD earner, please. I mean, see, that is different story. That is different story, USD earner. So let's talk only from the signature, and then I'll move on to the other this thing. Okay, any valid question? If we get tested on either side, cover one. There are n number of adjustments, friends. I'm telling you, there are n number of adjustments, boss. See, this ratio spread can be also converted to strangle. This ratio spread can be converted to your Ironfly. See, believe me, there are adjustments are ocean in itself. You have to have your thought process. That's it. On any given day, you'll be able to do some or the other adjustments, friends. Some or the other adjustments. The only thing is like you have to mitigate your loss. That's it. You have to mitigate your loss. Don't run after profit. If you're getting the profit means trade is going as per your view. So then look out for profit. If the trade is going against you, let's say you have deployed a Ironfly, right? Your Ironfly is giving you loss. What does that mean? Your view went wrong. So now will you think to mitigate your loss? Will you think to again get into profit? That's one of the bare minimum thing what we need to have is like we have deployed the Ironfly with a view of sideways market. If your Ironfly is giving you loss, that means market has become directional. So now you have to think about reducing your loss, not to get with your profit. Thanks, sir. Great idea. Oh, see, guys, you say thanks, but you have to keep practicing it. Tell me one YouTube, friends, tell me one. See, that's what, right? Even I'm thinking, let's make it not free. Honestly, I'm thinking, even I'm getting that in mind. See, end of the day, my YouTube channel stands at only 2,100, right? Look at the other YouTube channels. They show the fake MTM profits, right? They talk about the option buying, that and this. Can't I do that, friend? Tell me one thing. Even if I want to become commercial, end of the day, I'll delete all the videos or else I'll make my videos private and then I'll start a new channel. I'll show them all the MTM profits, right? I mean, I can show them. When I'm doing it with positional, can't I show with my this thing? I'll also start to show Opstra. See, manipulating an Opstra is very good. I'll trade with one lot. If I get 1000 profit, I'll just increase that lot to 100. Who is going to question me? Opstra is just a simulation tool, but at least I'm showing you all my sensible account, my real trade account. If I want to bluff all the rate rates, it's a fraction of second for me. That's it. I can play with one lot. I'll just go ahead and change it to 1000 lots. I'll show. See, today I made 40 lakhs. Today I made 50 lakhs. That's on my finger. Honestly, I'm telling. But still, I'm telling you guys are taking advantage of me. Sorry for saying that. Seriously, guys, you are taking advantage of me. But you're not increasing my subscribers. I should not see my. Let's say tomorrow if I get like 2 CR capital, 3 CR capital, I'll stop making all the videos. Seriously, I'm telling. I'm making all these videos, these simulations. Everything is for myself. If people think that this guy is having only 2000 subscribers, why is he wasting time? No, friends. I mean, this is. I mean, my confidence level is growing day by day, because I want to become a full-time trader. No YouTuber will share you this much of personal friend. But I've been like very honest. I'm not sure whether I'm right or wrong, right? Right? I mean, people tend to show that straightforwardness, right? I mean, there is no scope for those people, right? ये दुनिया में सिर्फ दूसरों को डैश बना दो, you feel that dash, right? Make fool of others, right? Show that MTM profit, everything is done. You'll get automatically all the subscribers. If I want, I could have shown my face, right? Who doesn't want to show, right? Even I want to have that recognition, right? But till date, I haven't shown revealed my name also. I've not even shown my face also, right? Don't you think everyone want to get that recognition? Sorry for being like, see, I'm not emotion basically, but I wanted to just convey that, right? So if you guys are okay with the signature strategy, can we go to Ironfly? Because market was directional, so can we go for Ironfly and see what do we say the what do we say sorry the adjustments we can do for Ironfly? Or someone has any questions on my signature strategy? And this is the last time I'm going to talk about signature strategy. I've shown you for downside moment, upside moment. I've also shown you an example for the sideways market. Everything is all about contra trades. If both Nifty and Bank Nifty have up or down same direction, that's what, right? Videsh, I've shown you, right? 95% of the time, Nifty and Bank Nifty are correlated. 95% of the time. If you watch my videos, you'll get to know. Go to trading view, take two column, put one Nifty, put one Bank Nifty, check it for last 2 years, 3 years, how the Bank Nifty and Nifty are correlated. Okay, let me take you to Ironfly. Okay, so we all know Ironfly is going to fail because market was trending. Remove diagram. Okay, let me. So can I go for Ironfly? By the way, what is the score? Can someone update the score to me? My TV has automatically went to pause mode. Can someone update the score? What is it? What is the score? Meanwhile, Hanmanto, can you please update the score for me? By the time I go to the Opstra and uh, show you the Ironfly. Bank Nifty. I'll delete this trade. Okay, I'll go to 22nd at 3 p.m. What is the VIX range for signature strategy? No VIX range and anything. That's a signature strategy. What did I say? Either market has to go up or market has to come down. It has to give the momentum. That's it. Nothing will come into this thing. I need the momentum market. And if someone is interested, they can go for 15 days of strategy. Don't go for 1 week. If someone is very conservative, right? Within a week, I don't expect that momentum. Go for next week. Go for 15 days to expiry. That will give you more peace of mind. You will have all the time to do the adjustments. 98 for one. Good one. See, guys, I'm just sacrificing my cricket match for you guys. But rather, I would say I'll be like getting benefited. Honestly, I'm telling because 95% I'm getting benefited by doing these simulations, and maybe I'll think even if one person is like liking my signature strategy, I'm done. I'm not expecting like hundreds of people should love my strategy. Okay. Okay. Chalo, back to Ironfly, right? So I'm on 22nd September. So let me deploy the Ironfly. Market stands at 40,800. Where is 40,800? This is my 40,800. So I'm just deploying a Ironfly. Okay. I'll go for one lot. Sell this. Okay, and sell this. Hope Opstar doesn't stuck because we have been doing since from last almost like 1 hour, right? So how much of premium we got? 492 and 483. I'll take it as thousands. I'll go for 39,800. I'll buy this to convert it to Ironfly. Okay, I'll go for this one 41,800. This is my typical Ironfly. All right. This is my Ironfly, and we all know Ironfly is going to fail basically because market was trending. But still, let me show you, right? I'll take you to the 30 minutes, right? We have deployed the Ironfly on 22nd September at 3 p.m. I'll take you to the end of the day. Okay, my Ironfly is giving me a profit of 523. We never know. We never know. Market is standing at 40,700, friend. We never know. Market will give a gap up or gap down. Okay, that's why I don't like Ironfly, especially post COVID. Seriously, I'm telling I don't like Ironfly, but I know how to do the adjustments and everything. I don't like Ironfly because during this volatile market post COVID, do you think market is silent? Maybe out of last if you take 50 weeks, I think hardly like 5 to 6 weeks we've been silent, remaining were volatile. We all know that. Okay, now see next day morning, see market was standing at 40,700. So what happened next day morning? I'm taking you to the next day morning 9:20. See, from 40,700 it came to 40,300. So 500 points gap down. This is what happens. See, this is giving 246 loss, but wherein our debit split has given us how much? Almost 15% of profit. I'm not biased towards debit split. The only thing is that based on the market structure, I'm telling post-COVID debit split is the one which we have to trade because that will give you the absolute profit. Okay, let's see. 9:20 is too early, so we have a loss of 246. Let me take you to the 9:30, right? I'll ask you one question, friends. I'll ask you one question, right? 9:30. Right, so 9:30 market is almost at your break even. I want everyone to answer this, right? Market is almost at the break even. I'm at a loss of 386. Friends, tell me one thing. Do you think of adjusting the Ironfly or exiting the entire Ironfly and go for a new Ironfly? Because market was standing here. You thought market will be sideways. The next day morning, within next 1 hour, because you have deployed this trade at 3 p.m. yesterday, today, within 1 hour, your market is standing at your break even with a loss of just 386. Do you still want to adjust this or exit this entire Ironfly? Exit this entire Ironfly and look out for a new opportunity or deploy a new Ironfly. Right? If you agree with me in terms of exiting the entire Ironfly, because end of the day my loss is 386. See, if I want to do the adjustments, what adjustment I'll do? I'll roll up the put and then I'll deploy a broken wing fly. So even that will take the same capital, right? Broken wing fly also will take like 1 lakh 20,000. Right? Rather than that, why don't I exit the entire Ironfly with a loss of 386 and then think of new Ironfly, maybe at the same time or wait for some time, look out for some candlestick pattern, look out for some chart analysis, and based on that you go ahead and deploy one more Ironfly. Make sense or no? If you guys agree with me, exiting the Ironfly and go for a new Ironfly, you can type yes. If someone says no, we can just go ahead and do the adjustments, type no. I wanted to see how my audience is in terms of thought process. No one will tell you, friends. No one will tell you. We all know that's it. The moment it comes to break even, do the broken wing fly, do the reverse buying, that blah blah. That's it. We act like a machine, but we do not put our thought process. Close the trade and deploy new. Great. Exit and deploy new. Great. We should be thankful. Okay. Okay. Right. Practical. Not able. I don't understand. Okay, I don't understand what do you mean by is both. Yeah, Thomas, you're like very diplomatic friend. Why both? I mean, see. Anyways, I'm not going to exit the trade. I'm just going to show you the same example, right? I learned from you, bro. Okay, yes. I mean, that's what. See, whoever is like learning from me, friends, please increase the subscriber list. If not, I'll not make the video. Honestly, I'm telling. I've been like very real. Either I'll charge, or else if you want me to make free videos, I'll make the free videos. I mean, you'll not find this kind of content. Believe me, I've not came across any of the YouTuber. And the other day when I asked, right, majority of the someone gave me some Telugu channel where like I went through all the channel. They are explaining you the basics. That's it. What is straddle? What is strangle? See, we can get those from anywhere on the Google, but no one is talking about the advanced adjustments. No one is talking about right unique adjustments, contra trades, signature strategies, the way I am doing. Yes, I'll tap myself. See, at certain point I have to be like what do we say, right, proud of myself, honest, and show me one YouTube, show me one YouTube, free YouTube, I'm going to say right away. If someone can share me one YouTube saying that even this YouTuber is making this type of adjustments and everything, right, I'll personally call that person and I'll try to get more information because I want to learn more. Okay, close the trade and deploy new. Close the trade and make a new exit. That's what we have to close the trade, friends. Close the trade and you deploy a new trade. That's it. Because end of the day, your loss is only 386 point number one. Second thing, like, why should you waste your capital? And you have deployed the Ironfly with a view of sideways. See, market has given a 500 move down, right? But still what I'll do, I'll not see closing the trade. You can also do that for me. For that I don't want to show you, right, close the exit. But now what I'll do, let me show you the adjustment what I'll do, right? I'll not be biased, honest and I'll not be biased, though I know market is falling, but I'll let you know, though I know the market is falling, but I'll not be biased towards the this. I'll try to be like very realistic actually what adjustments you should do. All right, so now see, the market is at your break even. Okay, your loss is 386. So what do we say? First, see, there are like n number of adjustments, friends. There are like n number of adjustments. If I start talking about the adjustments, right, that is there is no end for the adjustment. Let me tell you. So what I'll do is like, now market is at my break even, right? So I know maybe market can go down or market can also go up. That view I need to have. Okay, that view I need to have. So let's say my chart says market will fall. So maybe let me go. So where are we standing here? We are at when is that? 23rd September at 9:30. 23rd September at 9:30. Right? Maybe 23rd September. Where is, yeah, 23rd September maybe at 9:30. So let's say if this is my, see, I've removed all my support and resistance, right? Sorry friends, I've removed. So let's say if there is a strong resistance which got breached. Simple, right? If there is a strong resistance which got breached, right? So maybe market stands here. So then what I'll think, okay, market can go down. So then what I'll do is like, if market can go down, what I'll do, first of all, I'll do the reverse buying, meaning I'll try to reduce the loss. What is my loss now? Let me put it here somewhere, right? This is my profit and this is my loss. My original loss is 7,000. Okay, 7,000 is the loss and 17,000 is a profit. So now I want to reduce the loss first. Whenever I do any adjustments, I have to reduce this loss. So what I'll do, where is my put buy position? My put buy position is, where is that? Yeah, this one, right? 154. And where is my break even? Break even is 40,100. So what I'll do, I'll just come here. I'll exit my buy with profit. I'll exit this one. That's it. I'll exit this and I'll go and buy 40,100 because I'm trying to reduce the spread. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to reduce the spread so that I'll be able to reduce my loss. Okay, now you'll get to, because I've shown you 100 times, right? I'll not go very detailed in this. I'm doing the panic, not reverse buying, but I'm trying to reduce the loss on my testing side, right? I've booked this, and what was my break even? Break even was 40,100 before, so I'll go to 40,100. I'll buy back that. That's it. 40,100. I'll buy this. Adjustment number one. What is the impact of this adjustment? You see what do I do? See, I've not sold here. What I have done, 38,800. Sorry, I bought call, right? I have to buy 40,100 put. My bad. Okay, 40,100. I have to buy back the put. 40,100. Right? And what is the impact of this? You can check the payoff, right? See, now your original loss was 7,741. Now check your loss. You have reduced your loss from 7,741 to 3,338, right? 3,300. Got it? This is my first adjustment. Now people ask me, my loss on my call side has increased. Boss, your loss on call side is 3% away. First you have to think about your testing side. There is no heads and tails in stock market. There is no holy grail. So, friends, I'm not at all looking at. I'm not looking at the Q&A sessions. Please hold on your Q&A questions. Right, I'll open it. Okay. So now I was able to reduce my loss from 7,741 to 3,272. Right. That is fine. And then now I'll plan to deploy the what? Deploy the broken wing fly. I'm not sure whether market is going to go down. I think maybe market will go down and maybe market can come up also, right? So now what I'll do, I'll just go and deploy the debit, the broken wing fly. So 40,100. So what I'll do, I'll deploy a broken wing fly at 40,200, or else you can do it at 40,000. So let me deploy a broken wing fly at 40,200. You all know what is the broken wing fly. Okay, where is 40,200? I'll go for right. I'll sell. What is broken wing fly? A straddle with a wing on put side. That's it. 40,200. I sold this and I'm selling this. This is your straddle. What is the premium you got? 400 plus 475, almost 900 premium you got. Almost close to 1000, but let's take 900. I'll buy a edge at 800 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe this one I'll buy back. This is my broken wing fly. If someone is not aware what is broken wing fly, I cannot help you because I've made 10 to 15 videos on the broken wing fly. So you have to watch out my videos. Okay, now check my loss as, right, though my loss as, see now my loss is like 4,000 friends. Right, initially my loss was 7,741. My loss has reduced to 4,000. Check the profit. Your profit has increased to 18,000 now. Okay, now I have a safety. Almost I have a safety now. I have a safety of almost how many points? See, let me. This is if I start talking about all, because I've already made too many videos, right? I have a almost safety of another 1.48%. Initially, before deploying the broken wing fly, the vertical line market was standing at where your market was standing at your break even, but at least I was able to increase the break even on my put side. Okay, now we all know market is going down. We all know, but I'm not doing the what do we say adjustments based on the market, because if market is going down, I could have easily sold the call here, right? If I'm a very smart trader, right? Why the hell will I deploy the broken wing fly? I could have easily sold the calls here. All the other YouTubers will do the same thing because they wanted to show you that green. I would have sold the call here, right? With one aggressive sold call, this entire loss would have become zero. Then you will say, wow, this guy has done such a miracle adjustment. But still I am keeping this scope. Still I'm having this 4,000 of loss because this is how I'll do the adjustment. Because my Ironfly, I've deployed the Ironfly with sideways. It has broken my break even also. Now I have to think about mitigating my loss. Yes, I'm very happy that from 7,741 I brought my loss to 4,000. 3,000 loss I was able to mitigate almost 40% of the loss. Okay, let me take you to 30 minutes now. Alright, so we are on 22nd. 30 minutes. See, still the market is going down. So you are still at a profit, but this is not a profit, right? right? Market is going down, market is going down. So now you have to be like very, so you have to put a thought process. 23rd, we have deployed this trade on 22nd, we are on Friday. You have to think now whether I need to reduce this loss on Friday end of the day or wait till weekend. This is where your thought process should come. Let's go quickly. I know definitely Opstra will stuck then. If that's stuck, I think we will do that simulation next day, maybe on the side 3 p.m. Now you have to take a call. Today is Friday. Next is your market will open only on, this is Friday, so Saturday market will open on 25th. Now you have to think your trade is not in a panic. Okay, majority of the people, what they will do, they will go ahead and sell the call here to mitigate the loss. I'll not do anything. I am okay because I was able to reduce my loss. I'll just leave the trade as it for the weekend. That's it. Or else what I'll do, see, I'll tell you one smart move. If I add a call side wing, if someone is worried about market can open, see, I'll tell you, your blue line safety will be still here because this is Friday, right? By Monday when the market stands, right, your blue line, see, this is where you have to be like very, your blue line will become Monday, when Monday market starts, your blue line will be like this. So that will give you a safety of almost this area. You got it? Maybe your blue line is very steep today. As on now, the blue line is steep. But check your market. Where is your market? Your market is here. So you'll have a safety of almost like 2% of safety. If someone is like concerned, market can open a gap up. What you have to do? You have to add a broken wing fly. See, what was the broken wing fly? We sold to one straddle, we bought the what? We bought put. Now you go ahead and get the call wing. That's it. The moment you get the call wing here, your trade will become something like this. And from unlimited loss, this will become sort of Ironfly. That's it. So this is your loss area. But I'll not do. I'll take, because I know market cannot open 3% gap. I'll take a chance. Yes, on paper it might, but I'll not take the chance. Okay. So now what I'll do, I'll just go to 30 minutes. So on Friday, end of the day, we are at a 53 rupees. Okay, guys, give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. There is one urgent call. Give me 1 minute. I mean, 5 minutes call. Okay. Now we are at a profit of 53 rupees, right? So now, see now 3:30. So what will happen the next day morning, right? I'll taking you to the next day morning. That is like Monday morning. I never know. Market can go down or market can also go up. If market goes up, I'll be like into huge loss. When I say huge loss, not huge loss. If market opens like 3%, 4%, I'll be in loss. If market goes down, my loss is limited to 4,000. That's it. Okay, this is a way we need to take a calculated risk. Next day morning. We all know market is going down, but still, friends, I'm doing the adjustments as I do. Okay, or else I would have sold the call here, 10 lots of call, and I would have shown you green on day one only. Right? That's what I think. I think I need to do this type of trades basically, because then only I think my 2,000 subscriber will become 2 lakhs soon. Honestly, I'm telling you. See, unless see, I know when someone is very straight, when someone is trying to help the retail asset, no one will take it very seriously, because this is the kind of experience I am gaining since from last 6 months. Even I have that question. I'm doing such a good content, but why the subscribers are not increasing? And my friends keep on telling, see, if you're doing it for free, if you're doing something, people will not get convinced, because you're showing only 1,000 loss, 1,000 profit, 2,000 profit. You're not showing them bigger MTM lakhs, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs. That's where people will get addicted. And also, you know, right, people having 10,000 of capital also, they wanted to get 1 CR of profit, right? They think, but they never think that, I mean, the people are making good profit, either they are genuine traders, 99% are default, 99% are like scammers, but genuinely there are like genuine traders like Gansham Take, like other option buyers like Scalper Shiva, they make, but the kind of experience they have is huge. Okay, so now next day morning I'm taking you 53 rupees profit is there. Next day morning, see, market has went down. Now, right, my loss is 357. There is no panic at all. There is no panic at all in my trade. So now I'll just go ahead and check my stop trade. So my unlimited lot starts from 5.51%, friends. 5.51%. So can I just go ahead and try to get some extra credit? Can I reduce the loss over here? That's my question. Can I reduce some loss? How can I reduce that loss? There are multiple ways. There are multiple ways. Now you guys tell me how I can reduce the call. Let me, rather than me doing the simulation, right? No, now you tell me, right? I want each and every answer, right? Market stands here. Your break even is 1.36%. Your loss will start from 5.46%. You have a loss of 4095. What adjustment I have to do now to mitigate my loss on the put side? Right, because my view went wrong. I don't know whether if the market genuinely comes up, I'll be able to trap the market, but now I have to think about reducing my loss. You tell me in a straight one liner what adjustment I have to do. There are hundreds of adjustments. I want to see, like, if I get with some good adjustment, right? I'll just leave it to you. So there is no point in me doing all the videos. Since from last 1 hour I've been talking, right? You're watching like a movie. That will not help you. Tell me first, what there are like combination. Can we go for contra trade? If someone says contra trade, you have to tell what is that contra trade. If someone says do this thing, you have to say what is that, right? Shift your selling side, someone says. Very good, right, Naren? Right, at least you're saying, yes, shift your selling side. Which sell? You have to be like very clear. Which sell? Right? Someone says create another broken wing fly. Right? Yes, even that's a good call. Right? That's a good call. Yeah, that requires capital. Create another broken wing fly. Yes, we can do that. Others, please, I want your contribution. It can be right, it can be wrong, friend. Right? Swift buy legs more. Shift, you mean to say you wanted to move the buy leg more. Okay, so basically what he wants to say is like, even we can do that, yeah, just to decrease the loss, at least just to decrease the loss. Yeah, we can do that. Deploy put ratio back spread. Put ratio back spread. I think this guy, when Gideon Paul, looks to be a very smart trader. Yes, that is one option. Narayan C. Acha, you said C said okay. Sell call. Thomas, you are great. Yeah, we can sell call because we are on 26, boss. We have another 4 days to go. We are only at 9:20. We can sell the calls also. Very good. Intraday. Shiva's too good, man. We can play intraday. But no one is telling to buy a put. That's what I'm looking. I mean, I will say kudos to that person who says buy a put. Because when market is going, see, we know market is going down, but realistically, when market is on set, right? Why don't we buy a put by putting a strict stop loss? I've made that video yesterday. Whenever we are on the put side, friends, believe me, trust me, buy a put and see with a strict stop loss. Let's say you buy a put and put 50 points, 100 points at the stop loss. You will be amazed to see the profit you'll be getting because you have to take the advantage of rising wicks. Okay, bro, if you don't adjust the original fly, I'll show you that. I'll show you what will happen. Right, by this time you would have been in loss if you, right, exit current broken wing and add a new one. I think that's not going to help. Anjan is saying, right? Okay, since from your software background, as you planning algo, see that's out of question. Unique. See, no, just pertaining to the adjustments only. Exit broken wing fly, then all the position except sold. Yeah, at least Rekha Devi is coming up with some thought. This is what, friends, this is what you have to come up. See, I'm sure like I'm giving more of Bhashan, but this is what I want. Like put butterfly. Someone said put butterfly. Very good. Seriously, we can put a small put butterfly because butterfly will have minimal loss. At least we can take a chance. These are all called contra trades, friends. These are all called contra trades. You have to open up your thought process, and this I got to know from my guru Kapil Dama. Right? He was the person who let me. I mean, basically, he enabled me that thought process. If I would have not joined this course, I paid 8,500, I believe, friends. I paid 8,500, but I'm telling you all the content from free. But that 8,500 is like, I mean, that is one of the best investment what I've paid for the market. That guy, Kapil Dama sir, has enabled me to think out of box adjustments. Do you see that we got off with 7 to 8 different adjustments? All are correct. Believe me, all are correct. End of the day, your goal should be to mitigate this loss. So what is 4,000 divided by 25? That's it. 4,000 divided by 25 is 160 points is what you have to cover. Don't try to cover 160 points at one go. Try to cover it in 3 parts. That's it. So you have to cover, see, try to cover 50, 50, 50. You are done. because your Ironfly went against your view. If someone is again planning to get into profit, is as good as a gambler. We have to mitigate our loss. Any other adjustments? Book P by intrinsic value. Okay, yes. VIX, that is not put calendar. See, I mean, I think put. See, already we have like 4, 5, 7 leg strategy. Again, if you insert a put calendar, right, that will become like almost like 11 leg, and that is going to be like very difficult, right? You guys were always there, so all these adjustments we can do. So I don't even need to show these adjustments. See what I can do. I pretty well know that market is going down, right? I can cover this entire thing, right? That 53 into what is this? 3, right? See, see maybe others would have shown. So let me show you what will happen if I go for 160 points call selling. That's it. I'll show you. Right? Maybe you will find all these YouTube videos. They'll go to 160 points. Okay, that's it. They will sell this. All right. That's it. Now your loss is 0. I could have shown you this. Loss is 0. Day 1 I made it loss 0. See, I'll take you to the next day also, right? Where are we? On 26th September, right? Let me take you to the 27th. Okay. Check your profit. 740. So we were on 26, right? Let me take you to the next day. Right? I can do this, right? Let me take you to the next day. Right? See, we are on 29th, and if I go to the end of the day, right, I made the trade 0 on 26th itself, or else I would have got. See, let me show you. This is how people will play with you, right? It's dead easy for me to play also. I could have shown you the same adjustment, but I'll not do. Some people, what they will do, they'll not go for once. They'll say, I'll say 174, right? Let me go and sell one call for 174, right? Where is 174? 174. They'll say go for 5 lots. This is what they'll say. That's it. Now they'll say check my trade. Right, you will have profits. You still have 17,362 profit. I made the trade, but will they say like what will happen if your trade goes upper side, right? They pretty well know market is coming down. So let me take you to the end of the day, right? So 357. Okay, even you'll get the loss also. See 7,000. Now I think you'll get huge loss, I believe, because no 13,000. All right, 17,000. Right, I can still show you, but did I show you that? Still I kept the loss because I wanted to be like very real to you. Okay, let me again take you to the back to 26. Back to 26. So slowly you have to cover your loss. Don't get trapped by all those so-called trainers who try to show you all magical adjustments that will wipe off your capital. Now what I'll do here, right now, what did I say? I have to capture 50 points. So let me say I'll just go and sell a 50 points from my this thing, or else I'll deploy a broker. See, if I start showing you all the adjustments, video will become lengthy. So I'll just leave it to you. If someone wants to deploy a broken wing fly, or the on the previous day they could have deployed the broken wing fly. Yes, loss would not have been like. See, still we're at 370s. Let me go and sell 50 rupees. So let me end this video, friends. Okay, or else it will extend. 50 points. See, needless to show you the adjustments. I think you got my this thing. That's it. You have to sell 51. Now I wanted to make my trade loss to 0. That's it. Now my loss is standing only at 2,479. From 7,741 we got it to 4,500, and now we are at 2,700. So as I see, next day morning I'll not take 30 minutes, friend. That will extend the video. Market stands at the same. So now again what I'll do, I'll exit this leg. See, either I'll exit this 54. Right, I'll get one more call, or else this has still some intrinsic value, some theta value left, right? I'll go to option chain. I'll sell one more 50 rupees. Let me quickly show you. This is what you have to do. One more 50 rupees. Okay, where is that 50? Sell, right? And now you know, by this time I'm just showing you naked selling only, right? Because we have too much of safety, right? This time your loss has reduced to how much? Let me show you. This is not, 1,366, from 7,000 to 4,500, from 4,500 to 2,500, and now to 1,300. Let me take you to the next day. Right now your loss is only how much? This thing. But I'll not go to next day. I'll go to Wednesday at 320, because Acha, 29th, right? My bad, 99, 29th, right? So maybe 28th also, again, I'll try to buy back one more thing. So I'll not do this much of aggressive. I'm just trying to show you because this is 28. Still, you will be getting some premiums. I'll go, okay, I'll buy one more 50 rupees premium. Sell, sorry, what I meant to say. So I'm not at all looking at the Q&A. Please hold on your Q&A. I'll again come back to you. That's it. My trade has become almost 95 rupees loss. So even if I take to the next day, okay, right, 29th, we are at a loss of 192. And you all know if I take it to the 330, because I've shown you only 10%, 20% of the adjustments only, because I cannot show you everything, right? So 330, I know Obstra will stuck for sure. So now if I want to show you another simulation, I have to exit the Obstra and then relaunch. Okay, 350, 250, 320. That's it. Your loss is 86 rupees. So we have been able to mitigate your loss of 7,741 to 86 rupees, though your view went wrong. If you look at other YouTubers, they would have shown you the one what I've shown you, 17,000 profit, 18,000 profit. If you want me to show those kind of adjustments, within one day I can make it. Still, people will say this guy knows the view of the market, so he was able to show us zero. This is what I do. I mean, if you're expecting some other miracle things from me, I cannot help you. So now I'll just open it to you, friends. Right? Did you enjoy this session or not? End of the day. Can someone please post the score? What is the score? And we'll take another 10 minutes for the Q&A session. I've shown you my strategy. Within this strategy only, within my signature strategy, I've shown you debit spread adjustments. I've shown you call debit spread adjustments, put debit spread adjustments. I've shown you the adjustments for 1 is to 1 is to 2. I've shown you the adjustment for 1 is to 1 is to 1. And now we have seen a what non-directional, what is that, trade. So with this, I have covered everything: your debit spread, your ratio spread, your Ironfly signature strategy, butterfly. If you want, I can get that done. Butterfly, it's up to you. If you have guys have patience, I'll show you the butterfly. If not, I'm also okay. 10 out of 10, good. Yeah, I mean, see, honestly, I'm telling, see, I've not bluffed you guys. I've been like very genuine. I've been like very genuine in terms of showing you the adjustments. I could have shown all wrong adjustments. I know the view of the market. By just one adjustment, I could have shown you, see, I've made the trade green. This is what happens on the YouTube. Okay, okay. Could not believe this type of content. Yeah, absolutely, Thomas. Honestly, I'm telling. See, this is not something I get. See, I mean, I see so many emails from all the followers, right? I mean, even I feel at times why I'm not getting that subscribers. Only thing is like I know there is no value for free. Guys, should I ask you one thing? Like, should I ask you one thing? Can I start paid content? Will people give more importance to that? See, when I say paid, I'll not charge like others. Can I charge nominal fees? Honestly, I'm telling you, at least to get that accountability. Just to get that accountability, can I start charging the nominal, or else can I start this Q&A session, the webinar, and everything in terms of getting some nominal charge? Tell me honestly. I mean, if even I don't mind if someone says no, but tell me when I say nominal charge, believe it's nominal charge, very nominal charge. Can I do so? Rekha says no. Okay, but Rekha, whoever says no, right? I want help from you guys. I'll be like very honest, right? My plan is next 2 to 3 years, right? I want to grow my YouTube channel. At least I should get some revenue from YouTube. I'll not get huge revenue. At least my petrol allowances, the kind of softwares I'm using, right? You're getting my point, right? Either give me that opportunity or else I have to charge my customers. I know. I get so many emails saying that I need that hand holding. I can charge, but right, so Ajay says is, Jotin says is after 3 months. Thomas, I think after 3 months you'll become an independent. Honest, I'm telling friends, follow me for next 6 months. Believe me, you don't even need any Ravi support. You will become your own. You'll become an independent trader, and you guys can also start the YouTube. Believe me, be with me for next 6 months. Right, you'll become an independent trader. Right, please go butterfly. Yeah, we'll come back to that. Satya will come. We are discussing something very important. Paid course attract serious learner. Absolutely. Keep value strong, that will change in the, okay. Yes, very good session. Slow and steady wins the race, right? Once after 2 or 3 months, we'll look at all the responses and then share. Okay, Thomas, you are very clever man. So by that time you'll become expert. I think you will come as a competitor for me. I mean, I would love someone, some of my student, if someone's the way I'm taking Kapil Dama's name, the way I'm taking Rian's name, if someone can take my name saying that boss today, even I'm starting my YouTube channel, but there was one guy called Ravi. So from who is my guru, that will be my dream day, I believe. Okay, please start. Please, can I still buy sensible subscription from you? So see, drop me an email, friends. Mukesh, drop me an email, right? Still, I'll be giving you the good profit. Yeah, and friends, sorry, right? I've started with only few members in terms of returning back the sensible because that has become a very pain for me because I have to add your number, I have to coordinate with you, I have to send the discount, this thing, right? I mean, that has become a sort of operational work for me, but believe me, everyone will get your refund for sure. Just a matter of patience. Good, good. Thanks, Thomas. You said you are my guru. So thanks. That. Okay, now let me show you butterfly. Right? We still have 56 participants. Let me show you butterfly. That will not take more than 10 minutes, friends. That will not take more than 10 minutes. Okay. I will say in further Guruji. Okay. When there is free, no one value your content. Absolutely. Absolutely, I know that. Yeah, regular touch with you for next 3 months. Okay, let's see. If something changed my mind, right, definitely I'll come up with the pay because there is no seriousness actually. But again, whoever said no, right, I'm expecting you guys to promote my YouTube channel. All right. So now let me show you the butterfly. See, for me, the butterfly. Let me close this basically. Okay, let me close this. I'll take you back to. See, butterfly is one of my favorite strategy. I'm not going to discuss any of the adjustments here. I'll show you how you can deploy the butterfly. One of my favorite, what do you say, strategy. Okay. Now let's say 320. We are on 320. So market stands at 40,800. See, it all depends on uh, one thing. You're doing a good job. All viewers are serious learners. Okay. Last 3 months I'm practicing signature. Believe me, I made 70% in just 3 months. That's good part, Nagendra. That's good. Seriously, you can make. See, I don't get surprised by looking at 70% in 3 months. Yes, signature strategy will give you hell lot of money. You need patience. You need consistency. You need to improvise. You have to be like very good at adjustments. What it requires is ratio spread and debit spread adjustment. That's it. It can generate too good amount. I mean, believe me, it will generate because I've done that actually. The moment I scale up my capital, I'll go for my signature strategies. That's it. Okay, now how should I start this? Okay, see butterfly, right? So let me show you, right? I'll show you one. Intentionally what I'll do. So let me take up that week. Which was that week? 22nd, right? 22nd, we might have deployed the trade. So we are deploying the trade somewhere here. Okay, end of the day we are deploying a butterfly here, right? Intentionally I'm deploying call butterfly. I know market came down, but intentionally I'm deploying a call butterfly. I'll show you the reverse way, right? If someone shows this way, right, there is, see, butterfly, you put butterfly, it will give you profit, but I will take the this market condition. I'll deploy the call butterfly and I'll show you how to mitigate the loss. Okay, stay focused, stop all the questions, friends, stay focused. All right, let me take you to, you got my point, right? This is where we are deploying 22nd, end of the day I'm deploying call butterfly. What is call butterfly? I have a view of market going up, but we all are unfortunate, market will come down. So what adjustments we have to do? Let me take you to the Opstra. 40,700 is where the market stands. Let me do one thing, friend. Let me refresh this page. Okay, and then I'll again come back to option simulator. I'll pick up bank nifty 29th expiry. I'll pick up 22nd. All right, I'll go to 3 p.m. All right, I'll go for call butterfly now. 40,800 is where the market stands. 40,800, this is where the market stands. So what I'll do, I'll pick up like maybe like 3 to 4 strikes. See, there is no strict rule because I'm bullish about the market, so I'll deploy this one. Maybe let's say 344 I'll buy. You all know what is butterfly. I bought 344 premium. What is half of this thing? 344 half, let's say 500 points. 1 2 3 4 5. I'll just go for this. I'll sell two quantity, right? If someone is not clear with the butterfly, right? Watch my butterfly series, right? I'll sell this to, okay, and then to convert it back to butterfly, what I'll do, I'll go for 500 splits again. 1 2 3 4 5. I'll buy back this thing, that's it, one lot. So this is your butterfly. Got it? This is your butterfly. So you have a loss of only 1770. I'll not do any adjustments until my loss, this divided by 25. Okay, 70. See, what I'll do is like, so my maximum loss is 1770. Okay, so 70 points. So 1770 divided by 25 lots, I got 70. Even I'll divide this by 2. Okay, so I'll not do any adjustments unless and until my this sole position. Where is that sole position? This becomes how much? This becomes 40 or 35. Right? If you want to know the logic and everything, you have to watch my series, right? So I'll not do any adjustments unless and until this becomes 45. I'll not even do any adjustments. Okay, let me take you to 30 minutes. Okay, keep an eye, forget about this thing, right? If you want me to explain the logic of what is butterfly, right, you have to watch my video, right? I'll not do any adjustments unless and until this becomes 35 or 40. See, already it got base. If this is reducing, right, I'm coming, see, 52, right, 35 to 40 is what I'll not do any adjustments. I'll not even look at my, because end of the day my loss is only 1770. This is the peace of mind butterfly. This is best for office goals. I'll put an alert, that's it. I'll put an alert saying that unless and until my 41,600, the sole premium becomes 35 or 40 rupees, I'll not do the adjustment. That's it. This is my golden rule. We are on 23rd. We have deployed on 22nd. We are on Friday. Okay, just keep an eye. This has not yet met my benchmark. 42, 315. You have to take a call. Should I do the adjustments? No, because I have a weekend. I'll wait. I know market is going down. If I want, I could have shown you the adjustment like other YouTubers, but I'll not do that adjustment because I know market is going down. So best to do the adjustment right here now, so that I can just convince you guys saying that I'm a great trader. I'll not do that. Okay, I'll take you to the 30 minutes. See now, rather than that, right, I'll take you to 350. I'll take you to 330 first on Friday. This is where your trade start, right? 42. Next day morning, check this. This 42 will become how much? 19. Market has not even given you time to adjust your trade. What will you do? This is the biggest threat of all the options sellers. Market has not even given you the time to do the adjustments. What happened? One second, friend. What happened? Market was standing at 39,600. See this 39,600. What happened the next day? 330. Right, next day from 39,600 it came down to 39,600 points down. Right, so whenever market falls, do you think the delta will give the chance for theta to decay? Moreover, market is falling, VIX will go like hell. Right, rising VIX will support, right, that's the NFC. Though butterfly doesn't have anything to do with VIX basically. Yeah, so basically what I want to say is market has not given you chance to do the adjustment, and adjustments are very simple. End of the day, check your loss. Your loss is only 1,640. That's it. Your maximum loss in your butterfly is 1,770. You'll get every time you'll get 1:8, 1:9 of this thing. Now, this is 920 is too early. Let me go to 950. So this has become 21. See, I'll do nothing. There is only one adjustment. Now my view went wrong, right? If someone is looking at converting it to profit, God will help you. Now I wanted to mitigate my loss. That's it. I wanted to mitigate this loss. So what I'll do, I'll just exit my buy positions. If someone wants to know what I'm doing, watch my series. That's what I keep telling, right? I'll exit my buy position. And then what is the sole position I have? I have sole position of CE. What is that? My premium is 21. I'll just go. I'll want to consider the moment I exit my buy position. This is how my payoff looks, right? This is a naked call selling. Still I have the loss. Now I'm trying to convert this to what? Strangle. I am on 26th of September. Okay, so how to convert this to strangle? Go to profit and loss. So 21 rupees. You have to sell a put worth 21 premium. That's it. Go here. Wherever you find 21, 22, let me see. And now you tell me, if I convert this to strangle, does my payoff show me profit or it will show me loss? The overall strangle position, does it show profit or loss? My call side premium is, let me again show you. This is one good example, right? This, see, now overall loss is 1652, right? Overall loss is 1600. My call premium is 21. I've just exited this 2 buy leg position. I'm just trying to convert to a strangle by selling a put. So now you have to tell me, right? My this payoff will show me profit or loss. Okay, you tell me now. The moment I convert it to strangle, will it show profit or will it show loss or it will show break even point? Cost to cost. Meanwhile, let me go to this thing. Let me sell 22. I'll sell this one lot. Quick friends, I mean, I want this to be like more interactive. You are doing a great job. Okay, yeah. One says profit. Two says, see, what is no? No is not the answer. Either tell me profit, loss, or cost to cost. I'll give you 1 minute. I want, see, we are done with the session, honestly. Another 10 minutes, we are done with the session. Don't take wild guess. You have to understand. Unless and until you guys understand that, you'll not get the adjustments. Loss. You all guys are wrong, guys. Whoever said loss, you all are wrong. Rekha, you are doing great, honestly, so far. You said profit. Sunil, you're wrong. That's what, unless and until you guys put your thought process, you'll not get to know. Anjani Singh, even you are wrong. So far, Rekha is correct. Mukesh, wrong. Cost to cost, wrong. Okay, let me show you. Right? This is what happens. This is what happens. Right? You are still in loss. Right, your payoff will still show you loss, but check this safety, friends. I want you guys to do this thing, adjustment. Check this safety. You have a safety of 7.21% on the upside and you have a safety of 7.93, almost 8% on the downside. So you are on 26th of September, so you have another 3 days of time. So do you still think you need 8% safety on the downside and almost 7% safety on the upside for you to manage this triangle? If yes, right, you'll be not able to mitigate your loss. But if someone says I don't need such a, because I'll tell you one example. We were actually planning to do the adjustments at when this was at 40 rupees or 35 rupees, but market did not give that chance. Market had a 600 points gap down, but still our loss was 1652 maximum. But right, but still the moment we converted this to strangle by 21, ideally we should have converted this to 35 or 40. Market did not give, but still we were able to reduce our loss from, see, this is, it is not showing me. Okay, somehow I think Obstra will stuck, I believe. It is not showing, see, even that over. So now you guys tell me, are you comfortable managing this triangle, or do you guys want to roll up, roll down, so that you will be, so the moment you roll up, you roll down by 200 points, right? This loss of 1368 will become 800, and even if you roll further up, you roll, see, either you do now or else you have to maintain this triangle until your 29th expiry. So end of the day, what happens is, if you are a very good what do we say, know the adjustments of strangle, on any given day you can come up with zero loss. Hope you are getting my point. You have a safety of 8% downside, you have a safety of almost 7% on the upside. You don't need this much of safety, friends. Market is not going to break down 8% down or 7% up in next 3 days. 26, 27, what is the next 3 to 4 days? Now you decide. Slowly what you have to do is like, see, I'll tell you one thing, right? Let me get it to 26, we have done this change. Let me get it to 27th, 950. See, still your loss is only 918. Still you have 8% downside, 7% upside. What is stopping you to get 200 points inside, upside, 200 points downside? The moment you do that, you will add some, you'll be able to reduce your loss. Let's say you have done that adjustments. I'll not show you that. If I show you, This will become like that is common sense. That is bare minimum thing. Again, let's say you got onto 28th. See, your market still stands there only. Now you have still a safety of almost 6% downside. You have a safety of 10% on the upside. Now what you have to do, you can do aggressive roll up, roll down, right? Get it 500, 600, 700 points. Whatever previous buy position you have, right? You have to get it to 600, 700, 800 points, and then you will be able to add some extra credit, and this loss will almost come to how much? 600, 200, and then next day on the expiry day, see, on the expiry day still you have a safety of this much, and then on the expiry day also you have to get 100 points roll up and roll up and roll down, and then end of the day you will make your loss 0. Did you guys understood the butterfly or not? Fast guys, we are almost done. 8:50 we will close the session. Again, don't tell me to show the payoff. I mean, show the simulation and everything. Strangle management, that is not a rocket science. You have to do the strangle management, but the strangle management you'll be getting is huge range. 10%, 9% downside and 7% upside. That is not the normal strangle wherein you'll be having only 2% upside, 2% downside. Got it, understood. Great, great. That's what won't change the payoff at t plus 0. Great. Right? That's it. That's a common sense. That's the beauty of butterfly, friends. Believe me, I have, again I've told you, maybe yesterday's live session, I have 20 lakhs of one account only for butterfly. And if you think this is the only adjustment what I do, then you are wrong. The adjustment what I've shown you is 10%. That's it. I have another 90% of the adjustments by which you can increase this profit like anything. You have, see, 90. See, honestly, I don't believe in telling that my trade will give 90%, 95%. Yes, it is absolutely wrong. But touch wood, I tell, I have the accuracy of, I'll not say accuracy based on my back testing, based on simulation. Since from last 3 months, I've been managing the butterfly day in, day out, right? I have the accuracy of 90 to 95%, wherein minimum I can get with 3% and maximum I do not have limit. That's it. Or else I would say minimum per week I can get with 2% of profit, maximum no limit based on my adjustment skills. I know people will ask me to show that 90% of the adjustments. I'll not show, friends. Seriously, I'm telling. I have another 5 signature strategies with me. 5 signature strategies. I mean, if you believe me. I would say 7. I would say 7 which I've deployed on my own. You will not find anywhere on the YouTube. You will not find anywhere. This is my signature strategies. Peace of mind. The moment I get 1 CR capital or 10 CR capital, I'll be deploying. I'll be having 3 to 4 accounts, one each signature. Right? I'll not show any of, because you guys are not increasing my YouTuber list and people are taking it very on a very light note, my signature. And I think now today you might have got the gist of my signature strategies. I've told you only 40% and there are remaining 60% on my signature strategies also. I'm not trying to promote my YouTube video. See, tomorrow also I can stop my YouTube video. But that interest is not coming from you guys. Okay, I've been discussing many a times. So India 20 overs completed. Wow, 237. Good one. At least I can enjoy the bowling. Okay. Butterfly blue line only gets the step up on Wednesday, and that's absolutely, yeah. Yes, Mukesh, that's a valid point. But see, I'll tell you, I'll tell you one more this thing, right? Whenever you go for butterfly, that's a very good point. Whenever you go for butterfly, right? This is your butterfly, right? This will have, if you go for bank nifty, you will have 900 or 1000 points range. This range is not sufficient. That's what I told you. I've just told you 10% of the butterfly skills, right? You see, whenever let's say you went for butterfly, right? Your butterfly went for call butterfly. Market came here, right? Either you'll do the ITM shifting, that is like you'll do the roll up or roll down. I'll not do that. I'll deploy one more butterfly here. That's what I'll deploy one more butterfly. So now 900 plus 900, I'll have 1800 points range. So it is easy for me to trap my market either in this butterfly or in this butterfly. If required, If required, I'll go for one more butterfly. See, butterfly hardly takes 25,000 for one deployment. It doesn't need any selling, extra selling. Within, by just doing the roll up and roll down. So one day I'll start with one butterfly, I'll deploy one more butterfly, I'll deploy one more butterfly. There comes your option buying. That's what I'm telling. Whenever you are a seller, don't overreact or feel proud of you being only a seller. You have to become a option buyer also. At times you have to become an option buyer also. So you should have the quality of seller plus option buyer, right? That's what my strategy. You got it right. If I deploy one more butterfly, my range will be like 2800 to 3200. It's easy for me to trap the bank nifty in my three butterflies, and butterfly adjustments are dead easy. All right, so I think friends, we have to give a call. We will just see. I'll not make this video available. So at least starting from today, what I'm doing is whoever is watching my live video, so it will be like only for them. So even I need to change some thought process seriously. Free. No one is giving that interest. Yes, I'll have the live session, but the moment the live session is done, I'll delete the video. All right. So now another 10 minutes, friends. If you have any open questions, Hemant, what is CTC? Right, we are promoting your channel in this platform. This is my responsible because I'm learning from good one. Progovini Bindi, unique names. Please consider future long and short as suggestion. No, Reka, don't get into too many concepts. Don't complicate your trading. I don't want to go into future. That's it. When I'm getting money easy, that's it. I want to do. I don't want to complicate my trading system. Yes, that might be a good idea, but I don't want to explore too many things. I want to make my trading very simple. Have you ever seen my trading? Yes, for new traders, it will look complicated because I talk contra, that and this. That is nothing. That is not at all a rocket science. Even a 10th class kid can also do that. Okay, just last week only I joined your channel. Please don't delete until I complete watching. See. Jotin, I'll not do that thing. See, I mean, I'm just asking, see, I'll not do that thing. See, in case that was my plan, right, I would have not made for. See, I'm telling you that this I'm doing it for myself. Believe me, I'm not doing it for others. If someone is getting advantage, I'm happy. This simulation is for me. The kind of experience I got in last 2 hours is immense. No one can give me that experience. Even not even Kapil Dama will give that experience. Not even Riyansh. They will say only basics. On top of the basics, you have to build your skill set. Okay, please don't delete for today. Why Lata? You have joined late. That will be good idea. What is that good idea? Anmantu, sir, you can have membership. See, Anmantu, see. Honestly, I'm telling. See, friends, I'll tell you one thing. See, I have a very good salary. Honestly, I'm telling I have a very good salary. Unless and until I have that comfort zone, I'll not charge anything from anyone. I'll not charge anything. Maybe tomorrow, I don't know. Let's say if I lost my job, or if I become a full time trader, if I see, forget about full time trader. If I become full time trader, that means I might have left my job and my primary income is trading. Point number one. Unless and until I don't become the full time trader, I'm not going to charge anything from anyone. I'm not a PR Sundar. Maybe people might be thinking, right? Maybe 64 people might be thinking, this guy talks too much. Boss, see, seriously, I'm telling. Tell me one YouTube. I mean, honestly, you have my email ID, hybridtrader04@gmail.com. The last time when I asked, like, do we have any Telugu traders? Believe me, I went through all the channels. No one talks this detail. Everyone are talking about what is strangle. That's it, reverse buying. Reverse buying is there in internet. Everyone can do that reverse buying. But someone says you the signature strategy, the contra trades, the butterfly, the way I've told you, right? The broken wing fly, how to do the broken wing fly, how to combine two strategies. I mean, I've shown you 5 to 6 variations. No one will say, right? Each and every video is a paid video, friend. Honestly, I'm telling each and every video is a paid video. I'm not trying to praise myself. I mean it because I have searched. Tell me, even I'm giving you open challenge. If someone can share me one YouTuber who's providing the free video, the kind of content I'm providing, I'll call that person in person, right? And I'll take more details because I want to explore myself. I want to learn from that guru. I'm literally waiting. For me, I'll wait only for 2 videos. I mean, not even Kapil Dama. Kapil Dama doesn't make any videos, right? He's only, I mean, see, he's a sort of, either you have to go for paid course, or else if you want to be the intraday, you have to go for paid for his daily what do we say, the daily intraday trading, right? Nothing is free actually. Yes, he made a video on the reverse buying, that is free. That's only 5% of the option selling. So you have to build another 95% on your own. Okay, please start program with minimal fees for serious traders. I want to learn from you. Let's see, unique trader. Let's see. Okay, please upload the video. Okay, so any other questions? Friends? We have another 8 minutes. So good to see. 62 people are watching. My best day, I believe. Even after like almost we started at 7, so it's almost 2 hours. Kudos for your patience. All those 62 viewers. Sunil, please upload the video. Yes, I'll do that. Okay, you're doing great. I mean, I see. I don't want appreciation. Any questions? Next 10 minutes. Next 8 minutes. Sir, I have watched your video 2 to 3 times. I open lots of wealth hidden. Absolutely, watch the videos 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, unless and until you understand. Don't jump from the. I would rather say first start with price action, then go for debit split and ratio splits. You are done. Don't even think about Ironfly. Don't even think about iron. So honest, I'm telling, Ironfly is not yielding you good amount of money. If you have huge capital like 1 CR, 2 CR, so then you can go for Ironfly. But for low capital, see, we all end of the day we all have only 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs. So better thing is go for debit split. That will give you huge absolute profit, or else go for the Contra trades. My suggestion, if you can start half Hindi and half English, your subscribers will see. Honestly, I'm telling Sunil, I don't even care about the subscribers. Honestly, yes, I'm telling you to increase the subscriber. My goal is 3 years from now, at least I should have 10K subscribers. I have my plans with me. I know. If I start showing my face, if I start showing my name, if I start showing huge MTM profits, I know I can increase my subscribers. Just because I'm showing you small profit, people are not showing that interest. Okay, thanks, Sunil. The session was, you said right. Even if one, what do we say, one viewer is like giving me that impression saying that session was good, I'm done for the day. You have opened my mind in options. Manoj Kumar, thank you. Any other questions? I was expecting a couple of my friends to be in this session, but I'm not sure. Yes, today even I felt like, I mean, it was a great learning for me, honestly. This was a great learning because even I don't know. I can do, I mean, so many things with my signature strategies. I never trade all my signals because, but the moment I get my good capital, I'll be just deploying into 1 or 2 trades. This is all exploration phase. Like live intraday also will, absolutely yes. I am a very good intraday also, I can show you. See, intraday, scalper, everything depends on your price action. That's it. No intraday buyer can get money from market without the price action. Even if you look at Gansham Tech, the one who gets crores of rupees, even he follows the price action. The one point what he said is like he never uses any of the indicators. That was one of the plus point what I got to know from, because I never use a single indicator. I am so proud. I never use a single indicator. Even Gansham Tech says he never uses a single indicator. He said it's a lagging indicator. The only thing is like his price action is support, resistance, and then chart analysis, and then the trend lines. That's it. When Nitin Bhatia started, since I'm watching videos for knowledge, yes, he's a very good. He's a Nitin Bhatia, right? I mean, he has huge fan, right? He's a very conservative trader. I'm doing everyday straddle, strangle, intraday trade, planning to passionate, content from big. Yeah, I mean, see, anything intraday is very good for even for straddle or strangle, but do not do the naked strategies for overnight. Sir, please guide me about capital allocation in multiple strategies. See, Pradeep, you have to think from your own. You have to put it in everything on the paper, right? You come up with a thought process. If you're not able to get, and then you have to ask for the suggestion. Right, sir, don't delete. It's an asset for us. Create a YouTube short videos. It's boosting channel held dams. See, even I've done that. Even I've done that, but there is no improvement. Yeah, I've started with all the debit split myths and everything. Right, that was like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Let's see how it goes. At what point we can increase number of lots? Simple. At what point, Sunil? That it all depends on your what do we say, confidence level. Even today, my maximum lots would be 2 lots. Honestly, I'm telling. Right, I've not even gone for 3 lots. I believe 2 lots is the loss. So maybe slowly up to 1 or 2. Even I feel, see, even if I go for 2 lots, right, I've done 2 to 3 mistakes. Whenever I'm doing the adjustments, I'm doing the adjustments for 1 lot, because since from last 6 months I've been trading only single lots. That's what I wanted to do. All the mistakes what I can do with my only 5 lakhs of capital. I will be like happy if my 5 lakhs becomes zero, but I will be not at all happy if my 1 CR becomes zero. That's it. We can deploy capital management as once. Yes, yeah, capital management will do that. Cost to cost. Sorry, what is that cost to cost? Hemant. Okay, I think another 3 minutes. Straddle best for intraday. Yes, straddle and strangle are best for intraday. At least you can monitor the market in front of your eyes. You'll not have the what do we say, overnight threat, right? With strict stop loss. See what is straddle and strangle. Intraday requires huge skill set rather than the positional. Positional traders are lazy traders. Honestly, I'm telling, positional traders are the very lazy traders, right? You know, right? In positional traders will get money even if the market goes down or even if the market goes up. They are lazy. They never do the analysis. Only threat for positional trader is overnight. But for the intraday trader, they need the momentum, right? See, better to capture that momentum because theta decay will be very low, right? They go for momentum. So when I say intraday, I'm referring from selling and also from buying. Intraday buyers, they have to be like hell, I would say, expert at the price action. Intraday buyers will be like expert in price action. Without the direction of the market, without the moment of the market, no buyer can make the profit. Write it on a bond paper. If you want to become a buyer, you have to spend 1 to 2 years in the charting. You have to find that quick momentum within 1 minute candle, 2 minutes candle. You have to be like very good at, not very good, you have to expert in price action. So one sir is doing amazing work for us. He's also retailer but think like pro. Okay, we can reach you one to one. Thank you, sir. So okay, guys, I think we'll just see. It's up to you if you want. If you see, I can talk for another 30 minutes also. If it's up to you, it's only Sunday, 9 o'clock. If you have another questions, I can answer those questions also. If I create debit spread in two lots and market goes against me, shall I exit one by left to create ratio spread? Absolutely. See, that's what, see, Banoj, I'm telling you, right? You at least you're getting with that thought process, right or wrong, I don't know. But ask that question to yourself. You have Obstra with you. You have Sensible with you. You have Obstra simulation. Go pick up one week, deploy with two lots. Whatever you're asking me, rather than me answering you, right? Do and get it that done in the simulation. Your thought process will change. Your thought process will change. At least you're coming up with the thought. The way this guy asked, right? Uh, Banoj Kumar Panda, right? He said he's deploying two debit spreads, right? If something goes right, wrong, what if I delete one by? That's what you have to come up with that thought process. Then only you will be a differentiator from other 99% of the retailers. Bowling started. By the way, as usual, powerful content. Thank you. Sir, you don't answer my earlier. What is that question? Are planning anything for? No, no, no. See, I am not. See, unique trader, I don't believe this algo. See, that is one of the scam, I'm telling. See, honestly, I'm telling, I don't know, I might change my mind, but as on today, algo is one of the scam. Algo is one of the scam. See, it is difficult for you. See, algo, I'll tell you one thing. If you're putting an algo on 1 minute time candle, right? Within 1 minute, it can punch in 10 orders. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. That's it. Because the algorithm is designed in such a way. Here, let's say your algo within 5 minutes, it can punch 10 orders. Buy, sell, buy, sell. Because algo is a algo, right? At least if you're trading manually, at least you can put your emotion. Emotion is required. Everyone says that don't get your emotion to trading. Yes, you have to get that emotion, but whatever is required, at least I can wait for 5 minutes. At least I can say that okay, this close is closed, and then I'll go and do the adjustment. But algo will not do that. See, that is one of the scam. Honestly, I'm telling, maybe I might change my mind, but as on today, algo or scam. Manual is best. That's it. People will, again, that is one of the way to cheat all the retailers. I mean, maybe there would be few retailers who might not agree with me, but for me, algo is scam. That would not work because no programming will work in trading. Ask that question to yourself. Do you think algo will predict the market? No, right? When the answer is no, then why should we go for software? If that was the case, right, the people who might have got into algo, right, so they might have become millionaire. Stock market will exit actually. Right? Let's see. I might change my mind, but I am not a big follower of algo. I want to do it manually. You got my point. Within 5 minutes, algo can punch in five orders and five orders. That's it. Buy, sell, buy, sell. That will confuse because that works like a robot. You know, right? How the robot works. If it goes wrong, that's it. It doesn't have emotion. Yeah, maybe algos will work for 1 hour time frame. Let's say I have a very strong rule. Let's say straddle. If I want to do the strangle management on daily basis, right? So then algo will work if you are a conservative trader. Not conservative, no, not conservative in the sense like, okay, if I'm okay to take 1000 of loss, 2000 of loss, then algo will work. So you have to program it. But scalping algo will not work. 5 minutes candle algo will not work. Maybe if you have a very serious rules and everything, so then algo might work. Yeah, my bad. I will not completely rule out, but strict rules, but not as a scalper. Tomorrow we will be having 2 minutes video. Yeah, Naren, I'll do because I mean, yeah, I'll try. I'll try to do that. Or else every alternative at least I can do. Because you know, right, my actual day starts from 6 o'clock till 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock. Weekdays I'll be like completely jam packed with my US calls. You know, that is a time wherein I have to hand over the call to them, right? How to learn price action? I'm unable to ascertain during the live market. You have the playlist in my YouTube channel, Anjali Singh. Sir, you did not answer. Yeah, I think I've answered your algo. I am an office. Algo, I mean, that's any other questions, friends? Still I have 58 viewers. Any other questions? Or else can we conclude? If you want me to conclude, you can start typing by so that will help me in terms of closing. But anyone who is not as part of my Telegram channel, I would recommend you to please join my Telegram channel. It's there on my YouTube homepage. You'll have the Telegram icon, and also you can search with the name Hybrid Trader. You'll get the Telegram channel name. Okay, then no answers from no questions. Agree with you for scalping. Algo won't work. Even I've tried, but for your strategies, I think yeah, strategies it can work. But again, you know, right? Unique trader, I know, right? Even strategies. See, end of the day, there are like 20 adjustments. How will you program your algo? Tell me one thing. Such a complicated that will be like as good as you're building an Amazon.com. Only for Ironfly we have 20 adjustments. How will you put that logic? Friday your adjustments is different. Mondays your adjustment is different. Tuesday you have altogether different adjustments. Wednesday altogether different adjustments. Expiry day all to see how will you put in that rather than that your algo will mess up everything. We are not that expert level just for Ironfly that is as good as a project. Yeah, if you want to sell your algo, spend 1 year, right? Come up with and then you start selling, but not for your own trading. Follow up and trade. Chalo guys, I think it has become like more than 2 hours. So let's call it for the day, and let's see. I'll let you know when we can have the next session. So let's maybe next week or maybe next to next week we'll have a video session also. All right. Thank you guys. Good night.